Hey my dear Leanna, this is your old dad. I thought I would actually do a video on making my omelet for you so you could actually make your omelets at home on your P-days or whatever day you use to make an omelet on. So what I usually do is I usually get a medium-sized pan. You can see this medium-sized pan with a lid that seals. We have cast iron, but you can use non-stick. Either one works just fine, but I figured I would do that for you so you can actually see that, and I'll show you the process of making an omelet. All right, step number one, wash your hands. Step number two, you need, usually it works nicely if you have 3 eggs. So get yourself 3 eggs, and then you'll need some cheese. The shredded cheese is easy, but you can use any kind of cheese you want. This is a 4-blend cheddar jack. Mom likes that, but you can use whichever one you want. I like having onion. Mom likes the white onions. I like the green and the red onions. Whichever one works nicely for you. And then you need some kind of meat. Mom likes to put meat with bacon in hers. I actually have some leftover brisket from when we smoked a while back. I'm going to put that in there. Or maybe actually include some ham in it. So you can use bacon and some kind of meat. A little bit of onion is always nice. A cheese, and then 3 eggs for the omelet. So I'm going to use some brisket for my omelet, and one of the things you find with any kind of meat is that if you dice it up smaller, it actually warms up faster or cooks a lot better. All right, so this is the pan, and so before I whisk the eggs, I'm going to put the butter in, and I'm going to turn my pan on to medium-high. Key for omelets is medium. All right, yeah, so I usually use about a teaspoon of butter per omelet. Cook it in, I'm using cast iron, so I need a little more. So I turn my heat to medium, and I'll put the butter in there, and I'll let the butter soften up and melt.
Here's the thing. Life is an endless series of train wrecks with only brief commercial-like breaks of happiness.
I feel like we've all had quite enough.